Hello everybody, I'm going to be doing a VLOOKUP tutorial today. I'm going to show you guys how to do a VLOOKUP simply on one spreadsheet from gathering data from this table and looking for this customer and putting the information here. As you can see, we are missing the square footage and the price. We have the bedroom and the bath for these people, but we don't have the square footage. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look up these people in here, and they're not in order. We don't know where they are, and it's going to take us much longer to look for them manually and putting this information here. So the VLOOKUP comes very handy. So what you want to do is enter equals VLOOKUP and hit the tab button because Excel automatically gives you that formula. So you hit tab, and then what we want to do is we want to look for this person. So we click on A2, which is the lookup value. Then we enter in comma, and the table array is in this section here. So you want to highlight all this. And in this case, what I did was I named it. So what I could do is also type in just customers because you want it to be an absolute range. So you hit customers, you hit comma, and I want to get the square footage, so that's going to be the first column, second column. That's where the square footage is. So in the entire data table, we're looking at the second column, the column index. So you hit 2, and then we want the exact match, so we have to enter in false, close parentheses or click enter, and it gives you the information, and you just drag it all the way down and it fills it up for you. And then we want to do the same thing with the price. And in this case, what I want to do is I want to remove the named range, and I want to show you how to do that. So you go to formulas, name manager, go to customers, delete, click close. That's going to be gone because that's what it was based on. So this is just for informational purposes. So we want to do equals again, VLOOKUP, tab, and now again we want to enter this information, comma, and now the table array is this right here. But what we want to do is we want to make it absolute. So you want to hit F4 and it becomes absolute. You see how it puts a $sign in front of each of those characters? That makes it absolute. Then you hit a comma again. And now this time we want the price. So it's number 1, 2, third column. So you hit number 3, comma, false. Again, we want the exact match. So you click false, enter, and it gives you the price. Drag it all the way down and it gives you all the information. So what you want to do here is, again, you can go back and put the named range one more time. And do F4, enter, and then drag it all the way down. So that's looking up somebody in the same spreadsheet. But let's say if you have data here and you want to look up from this table array. So here I have the information, so you want to do it in different spreadsheets. So in that case, what you want to do is do equals VLOOKUP, and then you want to look up this person, comma, in this spreadsheet, and you want to look that person up in this entire table. And what you want to do is you hit comma again, and you click on number 2 because we want the second column. We want the information on the second column, which is the bedroom. That's column 1, that's column 2. Column 2, comma, and we want the exact match, so we click false, or we enter in false, and then we hit enter, and it automatically fills this in for us. And you drag it all the way down, and it works like a charm. The same thing, you want to do the bath, equals VLOOKUP. You want to look this person up. And again, this could work if you have thousands of records or if you just have a few records and you don't want to waste your time. And you just do this very easily. You hit comma again. Now we want to do bats, so bats is under 1, 2, 3, third column. So you click 3, comma, false, enter, and you have all the bats, the information on the bats. And it's looking up for these people in this entire table array. So guys, this is how you do a VLOOKUP on different spreadsheets, and you do the same thing here for the square footage and the price. You get the idea. And you can do a VLOOKUP on the same spreadsheet, doing it here. And we also learned how to do a named range. And let me just show you real quickly. If you want to name a range, you click on the section that you want to name. In this case, we want to click on this, and we want to call this customers. So you click your name box and you type in customers, and you cannot put any spaces, otherwise it's not going to read it. So in this case, we want to do customers, click enter, and you're done. So now if you go to name manager under formulas, there you go. The customers is named as a range. So now if I come down here and click on customers, it highlights the entire range, and you can use it in the formula very easily, especially in the VLOOKUP. Or you can do the F4 to do absolute range, or you can name a range and title it anything you want and use that name as your absolute range. I hope this makes sense, and if you guys like it, please subscribe. Thank you again. Okay, bye-bye.